Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for stopping by. Just wanted to let you know that here in the wonderful state of California, rideshare insurance is going up. Stick around, you're going to want to see this. Hey everybody, so California and rideshare insurance. Man, if 2020 hasn't tried to spin us off the face of this planet already, it's the little things right now. I just got a renewal notice from my insurance company, which is Geico. And because I live in California, am getting a $1,286 increase in my rate for the year. And I went with Geico because I wanted to make sure that I had the proper commercial insurance for rideshare, so there was no issues whatsoever. And of course, one of their selling points was if you go with Geico, you get 25 cents per ride back on Lyft's platform for having Geico. So I went with Geico. So now again, I got a $1,286 increase for this year, or for the renewal policy, which will be November. So instead of paying, I think, $197 a month, I'm going to be paying $349 a month for the same policy. And I find that kind of odd because they said the reason is due to an increase in the volume and cost of claims, the company has had to increase the rates we charge in the state of California. Maybe you shouldn't have discounted everybody's regular auto insurance 15%. I know that sounds rough. I thought that was kind of neat. But now, with the commercial policy, the commercial drivers are getting stuck with it again. So, I don't know. All I know is, come November, I am going with Allstate, which is who I started with, and I'll tell you why. I have the exact same coverages on Allstate now, or at least starting in November, as I do with Geico. $300,000 blanket, and my actual deductibles go down with Allstate, which I thought was really nice. And if you know, deductibles can hurt. $1,000, $1,500. We're supposed to be supposed to have that set aside, but life happens. So anyway, my deductible on Allstate is only $500. Let me rephrase that. Will be $500. And my deductible for comprehensive damage, like the incident I just went through, would only be $250. But the difference is with the endorsement versus actual commercial insurance is you have to first go through the other party's insurance. Then if they don't have insurance, then you have to go through either Lyft or Uber or whatever. Then you can go through your insurance. So it's a little more complicated should the unfortunate happen, but at least you have the coverage. It's just going to be a little more trying to get through it. But so I went back with Allstate. They also cover my wife's car and our home. So my monthly payment from them will be $152 a month. Really can't complain about that. But they did bring up something interesting. Doordash. Look at your insurance coverages for rideshare, and this is for everybody, especially in California. Make sure that your insurance covers your food delivery, because Allstate will not insure you if you're doing Doordash, because Doordash is not registered in California. I was a little thrown about how she explained it, but basically Doordash isn't a California company, so they're not going to cover you. So if you have Allstate and you have an endorsement for rideshare, you might want to double check it if you're in California to see if you can do food delivery with, especially Doordash. And my agent was very specific about that. Doordash is not covered. So if something should happen and you're working on the Doordash platform, you technically have no insurance, and not a good thing. So just wanted to drop that real quick. If you're in the state of California and you're with Geico, be prepared when you get your policy renewal. If you're, again, in California and you have Geico insurance, you are going to be smacked with a nasty increase. Geico actually told me some people saw increases of over 100%. I didn't even think that was legal, but apparently there's a loophole with commercial insurance. I personally, I'm done. My policy's done in November. I'm going to call Torsten, the rideshare professor, because he's in California too, and he's pretty good when it comes to the the legal stuff. He's really good when it comes to the legal stuff. And I want to ask him what he thinks about this, because I still don't think that's legit. I don't think that they can do that. They are. But anyway, Torsten, I'll be rideshare professor. I'll be giving you a call soon. So again, if you're in California and you have Geico insurance for your rideshare, it is going to go up quite substantially, and it can go up as much as 100% or double or even more than what you're paying right now. And it's just not right. So if you have another insurance company, like I went back to Allstate and or Farmers or State Farm, make sure you have the rideshare endorsement, and make sure that food delivery is covered under your policy if you are driving in California, because from what I just found out, some insurance companies that are covering or giving you the endorsement for rideshare don't cover food delivery. That's Instacart, Doordash, Grubhub, Uber Eats, Postmates, whatever. Any type of food delivery is not covered because it's not rideshare. So you might want to check that out. Just wanted to throw that out there for everybody. This is my first actual video since my little incident here. And it feels good to be back. I'll be doing a few more videos. Thank you guys very much for all of your support for myself, my wife, our family. It's been a real trying time. I did a video drop for a friend of mine I met on Rideshare, and he's an upcoming and inspiring rap artist. His name is Shorty D. Really cool guy. That was the outtakes video, as I was trying to do the intro for his music video, because at this point, if I can do anything, at least try to pay something forward, then that's what I'm going to do until I can figure out a way to properly thank everybody. But anyway, again, check out your insurance in California. If you have Geico, sit down when you open that letter, because it's going to be nasty if it's a renewal. Look at your current auto insurance policy and make sure that if you're doing multiple apps or multiple gigs, that you're covered, because under the endorsement for Allstate, I can do rideshare, Uber and Lyft, but I cannot do food delivery. So with that being said, everybody, thank you again. It's nice to throw out another rambling video. It's nice to be back. And thank you again for all of your support, for everything that you've done, for all your wonderful comments and prayers and everything. It really helped my family and I get through a very difficult time. So with that being said, be safe, be professional, keep it real, and as always, drive on. Until next time, I wish you all the best of health. And again, thank you so much for your support. All right, so I just got a letter in the mail, and yeah, I did get a letter in the mail. I got a letter in the mail. So it went up 59%, 59.1%, 59.1.02. So Geeko, Geeko, well, geeks, yeah, Geico. So an endorsement, not enforcement, endorsement. So from the upgrade, it like kind of, I was going to say it slashed it in half. So Doordash, or Double D, I'm sorry, I don't know why that just struck me funny. And the reason for this increase is due to the increase in volume of claims. Due to the I'm going to get this done.